Merry Christmas. It is Christmas week. It's week 10 of Fiber Gifts, but it's also Christmas week. I hope that you have had a nice holiday. I hope you've gotten to see your friends and your family. If you've had to work through it, thank you for whatever work it is you're doing. We're working too, and we're all in this together. Hope you've had a special coffee or some extra treats in the break room at least. It's Christmas, and it's week 11. Did I say week 10? It's actually week 11 of the Fiber Gifts. Sorry, it's been a long holiday season, as you all are probably aware. I'm going to stop talking now, and we're going to look at the Fiber Gift. Bear with me. God. Okay. This week, our Fiber Gift is one that's really good if you want to have a gift that keeps on giving. It is 250 huge grams of Rosie's Space Dyed Top. They're ginormous. It is a huge amount of fiber. It's a mixed blend of wool, so there's not just one in particular. It's really good for felting. It's good for spinning. You can make mittens, you can make hats, you can make blankets, you can make whatever you want, because this is a lot of fiber. It comes in 6 different colors. This one is called Lollipop, and it's really bright and cheerful, as you can see. Kind of looks like a Grateful Dead shirt I have. This one is a pretty chocolate and plum and kind of a rosy cherry color. I don't know if I can, here we go. This one's really nice too. This one's called Sorbet, or Sherbet if you're me. It's really pretty. The brown in this is lovely. We've got this one out too. It's called Gaia. And it's an emerald green. It's got really cool mustard yellow, which is one of my favorite colors right now, and kind of like a perfect plum color in this one. It comes in 3 other colors that we didn't have room to fit on top of this tiny box top, but you can see them online. It's 25% off, and I think the whole bag is only like 15 bucks. You can get a lot done for 15 bucks with this huge bag of beautiful, fun fiber. It's great. So if you're the type of person who likes to start on gift giving for next year, this year, this is a really good idea for you to purchase for yourself. We hope you're having a good week again. We will see you next week for the very last Fiber Gift of Christmas here at the Woolery. Thanks. Merry Christmas.